Hey guys, Greg here. I am going to do a quick analysis on Fantom because Fantom is pretty interesting. There's a lot of debate about what's going on in there. And I wanted to get to that, but I want to do the quick review. I have a chart in here that is, where is it? I should put all my Fantom together instead of doing this on a weekly chart. I wanted to show you guys the potential with Fantom. Fantom is right now Fantom is, you could say it's underperforming, but recently it actually performed pretty well. It's up 60% from a dollar basically to 160. And I'm going to give you my estimates on some potential price targets that you could see if you're in it, and then coming down, what it could be coming down. But here's the weekly chart. I think this is the most dated, everything I have. This is Fantom, completed a full cycle. And just go through it real quick. You see this is wave 1 down into the second. The peak of the RSI, that would be your wave 3, down into a 4. Okay, and up for a 5. And there's this trend line down here that I put, and it's right past that trend line. So Fantom is completing its cycle. Here's its cycle right here. There's the cycle, and it's down. It's going to back test it. That's this common. It's a back test, and it's probably going to come back down, guys. I'm going to show you that in a second, why I think that. So back test, come back down. Okay. We can check the volume. Just check volume. Okay, you can see the volume. We have high volume here on a decline. People are probably DCAing in there, and then you have a good amount of volume all the way up into the third wave. Most of the people piled in here, and then you can see a decline in volume, which would be a loss of momentum on that fifth wave. So increase that momentum from here, push that third wave up, correct? You know, a shallower correction than this one, and then the momentum and the lack of volume puts that all the way up, and then you have more selling, and then we're in this area where we have real low volume. So this is a corrective area. The volume supports that. Okay, so what I want to do, instead of going through everything, I just do the basics. I don't care, and I want to zoom into that area for you guys to show you what is going on. Oh, before I do that, that was cycle 1. That's cycle 1, and then it's coming to correct in cycle 2. And you want to be wherever this ends up. This is where you want to be. So you go into cycle 3, which, in my opinion, for a coin like this, this cycle 3 price appreciation is going to be probably more massive than this. For a coin like this, we will see, but I'm expecting good things from Fantom from here to there. Lots of money will be made from here to there when that happens. How long that will happen, how long it's going to take, I don't know. All right, let me go to the other chart here, Fantom. I'm going to zoom in to, whoops, excuse me. I'm going to zoom into the 4-hour chart to where we are. So I've been taking a look at that. So that was Fantom's cycle completion there. Came down in ABC. It made a triangle. I'm going to get rid of that. It's just busy on the chart. It went back up into an ABC correction. And now it's back down. Came back down into an ABC. And then it had a nice 3-wave move up. So I'm calling that. I'm going to get rid of that. No, I'll keep that there. Up for an X wave. It came back down in this dramatic sell-off of this ABC wave. This is from that Crone and all those other guys that screwed it up. That was there. People got scared, and everybody, you know, went to Metis or wherever. They left Fantom and went to Metis. So I didn't do that. So I just didn't care. I don't chase. Now, where are we at? So I want to take all this stuff off. I've been taking a look at that and investigating what's going on with Fantom. For one, I think this last recent pump is from People just FOMOing in. That's it. This is all that's all that this is. I'm not surprised. I did have a price target up here for Fantom, but you take a look at that. This right here on Fantom. Let me go down to the 2-hour chart. I will show you that right here is wave 1. This is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and RSI supports that 1, 2, 3, 5. You see? Okay, and then it actually made a running flat right here. A, B, C. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, up for the B, and down for the C, like that. And now, this is what I think it is. I could be wrong. There's a lot of debate on what happened right here. Some guys think there's like, I don't know, and they think it's, you know, I think it's a running flat. And the RSI supports a 1, 2. There's actually a 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is actually extended third wave. So you can see the peak is there on the actual third wave with the most momentum, and it goes up for this third wave and extended, comes down for this fourth, has the fifth coming up. And because some of you guys FOMO'd in, if this RSI takes out that, then it will really go up. It could spike up. So it could go a lot higher than my projections. If this RSI takes that RSI out, it'll just extend the fifth wave. So with this, I'm going to take this off so it's not as busy right here. So with this, what are the projections? This is wave 1, and I just can come down here, since that actually makes it more bullish a little bit because it's running flat in this move. 1.6, so 169 to 170. And if it takes that RSI out, guys, which is it can happen in crypto, where it just takes that out and then it can just extend. So you could see 208 on Fantom right now. So to let you guys know if you're in it. Anywhere from say 170 to $2 to 210, depending on the FOMO. This is to me, this is like the last leg, but it's turning into like a FOMO, last little possibly mini blow off right here is what I call them. Just kind of depends. So I thought Fantom was done here the other day, but it's not. So let's see. Now, where's it going to go from here? So what is this? This right here is going to turn into technically A, B, C, 3-wave move. So from this 3-wave, you have, it made an X, it went up on an X, and then there's another 3-wave. So here's another W and then an X. And then it's going to swing down for these Ys, which will be another 3-wave move like this. Depending on how bearish it is, it could extend like that and go down into the box. Okay? If it's bullish, it won't go. If it's bullish, when it's going down, more bullish, and people like the coin, and they're not selling as much, then it'll stay above $1. But I think there's a good possibility that's going below $1. If this goes above this area to make a higher at 209, basically $2.10, then the X wave would just move over here, and I would get rid of that. This X wave would just move over here, and this would just all be the 3-wave move right here. This is 3, so this would be 3-wave up for the X and then down for the Y. So after this move, depending on how high it goes, I do expect Fantom to come back down near $1 potentially, just potential, I'm saying it is, I'm not saying it is, guys, go through there and bust through the dollar and hit the box, which is about 80 cents to as low as 65. All right, guys, that is the end of my quick analysis of what I think is going on. So if you're in the coin right now, don't FOMO in. You're going to get minimal. The risk to reward ratio isn't worth it. So you'd go in right now at $1.60, it would go up to maybe, you might get $1.70. You don't know, and it might go to $1.90. You might get lucky. But you want to make sure, you might want to take some profits, in my opinion, not financial advice, just to protect yourself from this potential move right here. Now, for the bullish count, that's not the end of my analysis. So the bullish count is all you can say at this point, because Fantom made these lower lows, is this is all you can do. You're going to say, I'm going to remove all that. I'm going to remove this ABC on the bullish count. All you can say, because it took out all the lower lows, so all you can say for Fantom to be bullish is this is, what is it? Yeah, 1, 2, it's going up for 3, it's going to do 4, and then 5. It's got to come down for a 4, and then push up for a 5. That's bullish, and then it'll be 1, 2, and up for 3, off to the moon. I don't think that that's it. I think this is an ABC correction. One of the things is just because it's strange running flat. I guess that could be in a second wave, but that's what I think, guys. So there's the possibility of it being bullish, pretty low. The possibility of it being bearish, higher than it is to be bullish, in my opinion. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.